Many people ask me that how different between the garu and gatteru. So today I will explain about the difference between garu and gatteru. You see here, and when we just look at garu and gatteru, you see that it seem to be similar. But the truth in the real one is we use the different, and in the situation we use the each one in the way that are not the same. So let's see what is the garu. Nani garu. When we use the garu, that means we talk about the thing that in general thing, not specific for somebody or anyone only. That means almost everybody do that thing. So in the way like that we use garu, but it's not gatteru. I see here we have an example like this. In this example, they say like wakamono wa dare demo smaho o hoshigaru. Wakamono wa dare demo smaho o hoshigaru. It means that every young people wants a smartphone. You see that they say every young people wants a smartphone. That is not specific for someone or somebody. So it means almost every young people. So in the situation that we want to talk about the thing that almost everybody do, or almost every people do that, so we use garu. And it's not for gatteru, right? And for the grammar that we will see in here, what you have to remember, you see that we use the adjective like hoshi, right? Hoshigaru. The first for the adjective is end by e. You see that hoshi. But in here they cut out the e, so we just see only hoshi, no e, right? So after that they put garu. So this is the grammar that you have to remember when you use with the garu. So you see that the sentence say like wakamono wa dare demo smaho o hoshigaru. Let's see another sentence. In this sentence, they say like, Kanojo wa switch o tabeta garu. Kanojo wa switch o tabeta garu. And it's mean like, she wants to eat sweet. She wants to eat sweet. In a situation like this, when we use tabeta garu, that means it's not she only, but you see here there are two people, right? So it's not she only, but almost everybody that want to eat the sweet. So in a case like this, we talk about almost everybody. So it have the meaning that everybody want to eat the sweet. It's not only Mr. A or Mr. B. We don't say to for someone specially. So in the case like this, we use garu. So it means everybody want to eat the sweet, but including she, you see here. So when we translate to be English, it seems to be she only, but the true meaning is not she only, but everybody, including she. So they use がる。彼女はスイーツを食べたがる。And the grammar that you have to remember in here, you see that 食べたがる is from the word that 食べる。食べる is mean eat. But when you want to say about want to eat, you should change to be 食べたい, right? 食べたい. 食べたい. So it means the word that end in the e. So every word that or everything that end in e, when you use with the gotta, you should cut out the e. So in this case, you see that they say like 食べたがる, not 食べたいがる, right? So this the rule that you use when you use with the anything that end in e, you should cut the e. 食べたがる、行きたがる, right? 飲みたがる, something like this. And now let's see what is about the 何々がってる。何々がってる they will use to show the current feeling. The current feeling that mean when you talk about specific for someone or just only Mr. A or Mr. B. So in the case like if you use がってる this mean we see somebody or anybody and we specific that person want to do that thing, so we use がってる. So it's different from がる if you use in the general, but here we use to specify for someone or somebody only. So let's see example in here. In here we have the example like 田中さんはスマホを欲しがっている。田中さんはスマホを欲しがっている。It means 田中さん wants a smartphone. 田中さん wants a smartphone. Are you seeing here? We will see that in the picture just only one, right? So when you see that Mr. Tanaka wants to have a smartphone, so that means Tanaka-san only, not anybody else. So in the case like this, that to show Mr. Tanaka-san, Mr. Tanaka feeling only, so we use がってる. We don't use がる, right? So in here you see that they say like 田中さんはスマホを欲しがっている. So it means you see Mr. Tanaka-san and Mr. Tanaka-san show the feeling that she really need a smartphone. So in the case we use 欲しがっている. And this is the same when you use with anything that end in e. So you should cut the e and you follow by がってる. Just the same rule as the がる. 欲しがる. 欲しがってる. Another example in here we see this sentence like this. ジェニーさんは寿司を食べたがっている。ジェニーさんは寿司を食べたがっている。Which means Jenny san wants to eat Japanese sushi. Jenny Jenny-san wants to eat Japanese sushi. This means we say only or we say Jenny-san only. We talk about the Jenny's feeling only. So we use gatteru. It's not include another body or another person's else feeling. So we use about gatteru. So we say Jenny-san wa sushi o tabeta gatteru. Or you can say another sentence like for example, you want to say that Mr. John, I want to go to Japan. You can say that John-san wa Nihon e ikitagateru. John-san wa Nihon e ikitagateru. That means Mr. John want to go to Japan. That means to show the feeling of Mr. John only is not include another body. So when you stay with Mr. John and you see a talk with Mr. John, and Mr. John show you or tell you that he really want to go to Japan. So in the case that you can say with another body that when you see when you tell your friend, can tell your friend that Mr. John want to go to Japan, you can use that John-san wa Nihon e ikitagateru. This means Mr. John really want to go to Japan.